Welcome to our tutorial. We'll walk you through how to import a DXF file from the Metaroom Workspace into Chief Architect so you can seamlessly continue your design workflow.
First, make sure your DXF file is exported correctly from the Metaroom Workspace. Open Chief Architect and create a new project, or open an existing one where you want to bring in your DXF model.
Go to the File menu, select Import, and then choose Import Drawing.
Locate your DXF file exported from the Metaroom Workspace and select it. Make sure to check your import options to match your project requirements.
Your Import Drawing Assistant will open a new window. Here you can select how would you like to handle CAD blocks in the drawing. Clear all the layers and select Geometry. Map all drawing file layers to import all layer attributes into the current layer set.
Select your drawing units matching your exported file from the Metaroom Workspace and make sure Import as Dimensions where possible is checked.
Once imported, your model will appear in Chief Architect. You may need to adjust its placement, scale, or orientation. Use the CAD tools in Chief Architect to snap it into position accurately.
Go to the CAD tab in the top menu and select CAD to Walls. In the Convert CAD to Walls window, select Geometry as Wall Layer.
After everything is positioned correctly, save your project. You can now start adding walls, furniture, lighting, and other design elements around your imported model.
And that's it! You've successfully imported a DXF file from the Metaroom Workspace into Chief Architect. Now you can continue designing with all the precision and detail from your scan.